Hey, what's up? Today is the day. It's finally time for me to get started. I'm a little bit nervous, but I guess I have to get into it. I can't just keep, putting it off. And it's just the beginning, like it's just the beginning of the journey. Well, it's not really, because the beginning was like 3 months ago when I started learning programming. But if I don't start now, it means everything I've done so far is a waste. So let me get started. I actually lied when I said that I was gonna start coding today, because I'm not. What I need to do first is to basically put down on paper my outline for the app that I'm making and exactly what I want the app to do, because I don't want to just rush in and start writing code. It doesn't make any sense. First of all, I need to explicitly define what I want my app to do and how I want it to behave. So I'm going to do that with pen and paper, and once I've done that, then I can start coding. I think that will probably, I don't know if I'll get that done today, but I'm going to get started on it and I'll keep you updated. Yeah, that moment when you're looking for a pencil or a ruler and you realize you don't have one, despite the fact you have a huge pencil case. So I found a pencil, typically Swedish. This is going to have to do as a ruler, unless I can find something else, but I don't think I can, so this will have to do. Alright, so I have tons of ideas for apps, but I decided that because I have so many ideas, it makes sense for me to make the simplest app first. So the app I'm working on right now is a productivity app, and it's just basically something I'm going to use once I'm done to keep me motivated to keep working. So I'm just drawing little sketches and basically working out in my head and on paper exactly how I want the app to work. The thing I realized is that I'm actually pretty bad at drawing. So yeah, just a few sketches and some notes. Like here is basically, this is going to be, the homepage will be here. You hit this button here, brings you to the side. You have a list of things where you can select settings, whatnot. And each of these things will open a new MVC. So, making progress slowly, but yeah, this is designed for a widget. I don't want it to be too complicated, because I know that with making apps and software development, there's this concept of the MVP, I think it is, minimum viable product. And I could make this as advanced as I wanted to make it, as I want to make it, but I don't want to go too far, because like I just want to keep it simple to begin with, and then once it's simple, once it's done, then I can work on it and make it better and make improvements. I kind of have a good idea of what I want my app to look like, but there's a certain window, stats window. I'm not really sure what I want the UI to look like, so I'm just browsing patterns.com to give myself some ideas. Alright, so I decided to come down to my university to get some work done. And the cool thing about being at university during the summer when classes are finished is that you have the whole place to yourself. So I've got this room, it's just me, got this massive whiteboard for me to work on, and I got this massive table. So I'm gonna get some extra work done. So far, I think I've designed about 90% of my UI, so I feel good, and I think, I know in my head as well how my app is gonna work. The only bad thing is I did a quick search and it seems there are quite a lot of similar apps, but the way that I want to do my app is slightly different, so hopefully it should still be viable. And on top of that, I'm going to market it at different demographic of people, so it's all good. Here we go. I'm actually making my own, creating new Xcode project. I'm going to be putting my own app in here, so it feels good. Let me get off my phone and get to this. Yeah, taking a quick food break. I'm making progress. Slowly but surely I'm making progress. It's taken me a lot longer than I thought it would, because I didn't really know where to begin, but I found a tutorial online and I'm following that tutorial, so it's really helping me like in putting into practice the things that I've learned. Alright, I'm tired. Been working on this. It's a lot harder than I thought it'd be. But I'm gonna show you what I've done so far. Here's my app. Got a menu button up here. I need to change the size of it, it's too big. Hit this comes out, and the plan is to put different MVCs for each of these. But the mistake that I've made is that I've gone and made these buttons which means that in order to bring up the next MVC, you have to hit the actual button. But what I wanted to do was to make it so it's the whole bar. So I need to change these from buttons into labels, and I need to make the cell the action that calls the seg. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do, but I don't know. I think they want to have done something at least, you know. So tomorrow, yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Gonna have a video up tomorrow, so check that out. But that's it for today. All right, so I lied. I've got like a really, I don't know, I think the word is like compulsive personality. So I kept working, and yeah, I did make some progress. I'm gonna show you a lot what I got. So yeah, end of day one, and this is what I got so far. My sidebar working. See, that brings me back here. Takes me there. I need to change this and fix this. That won't take too long. I might do that tonight, in fact. Settings. This also needs to be fixed. Support. Yeah, that's it. I haven't hooked the rest up yet, but it's looking good.